How to delete Telegram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can delete your Telegram account for good. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Telegram account, all you have to do is open the Telegram app, then tap on the three lines icon from the top left and then go to settings. So once you go to settings, you can scroll down, you can see I don't have any option to delete my account, right? So in order to delete it, you have to go to this help center and search for Telegram FAQ, which is Telegram frequently asked questions. So just go to FAQ over here. Once you go to Telegram FAQ, you can see general, you can see Telegram basics, you can see groups and channels, you can see username and time, you can see security, you can see secret chats, and you can see your account. So look for this your account button, and then here you'll find delete your Telegram account link. So you can see the option called delete your Telegram account under your account, right? Just tap on it. Once you tap on delete your Telegram account, here you can see how do I delete my account, right? At the Q section, Q, right? If you would like to delete your account, you can do this on the deactivation page. So all you have to do is just select this deactivation page, which you see. Once you select deactivation page over here, it says delete account or manage apps. So over here you have to simply go ahead and then enter the phone number of your specific account. In this case, make sure to actually also enter the country code, because Telegram by default is not going to know which country you reside on. So you have to basically make sure to enter your country code first. Once you enter your country code, you can go about simply entering your number. Once you enter your country code with phone number, just tap on the next option. It will send a confirmation code to your device. So you can see I have received a confirmation code, and here I can see the confirmation code. I'll just go ahead and then copy this specific code which you see over here. Then once I copy the code, I'm going to come back here. Then I'm going to come back and then basically paste it, and all I need to do is just tap on the sign in option. As I sign in, it will ask me to delete my account. So you can see my phone number and why are you leaving, enter the reason, and then just tap on the option called delete my account from the bottom. And this is how you can delete your Telegram account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.